Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuition, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourselves so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. As you remember, in the previous class, we have discussed from question number 1 to 5 of exercise 6.2 of your NCERT book. So today, we will discuss the remaining question, that is from question number 6 to question number 10. Okay, so are you all ready for that? So let us start today's class then. So this is question number 6 of your exercise 6.2. Okay, so in figure 6.21, ABC are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to PR, and you have to show that BC is parallel to QR. Okay, so how to proceed then? So first, as you can see, there are three triangles formed at the center. One is POQ, another one is POR, another one is QOR. So we will consider these three triangles, and depending on these parallel lines, we will use the theorem and we will try to prove it. So now in triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, okay, you have AB is parallel to PQ. So if AB is parallel to PQ, then according to basic proportionality theorem or theorem 6.1, what you will get then? You will get OB by BQ will be equal to OA by AP. Correct or not? So this is according to basic proportionality theorem. Otherwise, it is 6.1 theorem. Okay, basic proportionality theorem, popularly known as BPT or theorem 6.1. So this is theorem 6.1. Correct or not? So your OB by BQ will be equal to OA by AP. Correct? So now in triangle POR, in triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR, right? If AC is parallel to PR, then you will get OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, and this also you have obtained by BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Correct? So now from equation 1 and 2, what you get? You got OB by BQ is equal to OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. So from equation 1 and 2, you get OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Correct or not? So now you see. What is OB? OB is part of your triangle OQOR or OQR. So now, if in triangle QOR, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, it implies BC will be parallel to QR. Why? That is converse of your BPT, basic proportionality theorem. It is converse of your basic proportionality theorem, which is indicated by theorem 6.2, or you can write down according to converse of basic proportionality theorem. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the next question. Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. So, let us consider one triangle. Okay, so this is suppose a triangle indicated by ABC. Now, a line drawn through the midpoint of one side. Let the midpoint of AB be indicated by D. Now you are drawing one line parallel to BC, which is intersecting AC at point E. So now you have to prove that this AE is equal to EC. Then only this E will be bisecting AC. So let us write down what we have done here. So in triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB. Okay. DE is parallel to BC. Right? Then according to basic proportionality theorem or theorem 6.1, you can write AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. Right? Now, as D is midpoint of AB, so AD is equal to DB, right? It implies AE by EC is equal to 1. It implies AE is equal to EC. That means E is the point where side AC is being bisected. Correct? So, this is what you were supposed to prove. Right? So, you have proved the statement. Right? So, now let us go to the next question. Using theorem 6.2, prove that line joining midpoints of any two sides, okay, is parallel to the third side. So here ABC represent the triangle. So suppose D and E are the midpoints of the two sides and you have joined the line D and E. Okay. So as they are midpoints, so AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. Right? So you have to prove that DE is parallel to BC, right? So let us write down in triangle ABC, D and E are midpoints of side AB and AC respectively. Okay? If so, then AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. Right? It implies AD by DB is equal to 1 and AE by EC is equal to 1. Right? So if both the ratio is 1, it implies AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. If so, then according to theorem 6.2, DE will be parallel to BC. This is using theorem 6.2. Correct? So, proved. Right? Understood, children? So, now let us go to the next question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O, so that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, so this is suppose the trapezium A, B, C and D. So now let us draw the diagonal. Okay, so suppose this is the diagonal intersecting at point O. Okay, so now you have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by D. So for that, now let us draw one parallel line passing through O intersecting the side AD at E. Okay, so let us write down ABCD trapezium. So in ABCD trapezium, AB is parallel to DC. Okay, let EO parallel to EO be parallel to AB. Right? So this is according to construction. So this is according to construction. Right? So now in triangle ABD, ABD, if EO as EO is parallel to AB, EO is parallel to AB, then you will have BO by OD, BO by OD is equal to AE by AD. BO by OD will be equal to AE by AD. So this is your equation 1. Okay. So now in triangle ADC. Okay. So in triangle ADC, as EO is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to CD, it implies EO is also parallel to CD. Right? So if EO is parallel to CD, then you get AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. This is equation 2. So both the equation you have obtained because of basic proportionality theorem. Now compare equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we get, so here also A by ED is there, here also A by ED is there, we get BO by OD is equal to AO by OC. It implies AO by BO will be equal to OC by OD. So this is what you were supposed to prove, and we have proved it. Correct? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the next question. That is question number 10. The diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. You have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So here initially it is not given that it is trapezium. So to prove that it is trapezium, you need to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay. So to prove that ABCD is a trapezium, you have to prove that two sides are parallel to each other. So AB should be parallel to CD. So what we will do is, we will construct a line passing through point O in such a way that it is parallel to, okay, parallel to your AB. Okay, so we will construct one line EF in such a way that it is parallel to AB. Okay, so now let us draw a line EF passing through point O parallel to AB and intersecting side AD and BC at E and F respectively. Okay, so now let us consider the triangle. So now in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, what you have in triangle ADB, your EO is parallel to AB. This is according to your construction, because you have constructed, right? So if so, then what you will get? You will get AE by ED is equal to BO by OD. This is according to your basic proportionality theorem. Correct or not? Now according to the question, you have AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Right? It implies you can write that AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. Correct? So let this be equation 2. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what you get? You get AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. Now you see, AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. Now, from this, it is proved that EO is parallel to CD. That is because of theorem 6.2, right? But according to construction, EO is parallel to AB. So, as EO is parallel to AB and EO is parallel to CD, it implies AB is parallel to CD. Hence, ABCD is a trapezium as two of its sides are parallel to each other. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Okay, so with this we have completed all the questions. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hope you have understood. Then keep practicing. Don't forget to download the Etuson app. Follow us in Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And take care of yourself. Bye.